Germany is Europe's strongest economy, but what if I told you that the same Germany may soon be overtaken by India, not in 20 years, but in the next 2 to 3 years, and that Germany already knows this is coming. That's why, quietly, without making headlines, Germany is turning towards India. This is not friendship, this is strategy. Germany is Europe's strongest economy, but today Germany is quietly changing partners. Not America, not China. Germany is turning towards India. Why would Europe's industrial giant do that? And what danger is Germany trying to escape? Stay till the end, because this shift can change global power balance. For decades, Germany built its economic success on two powerful pillars: cheap energy from Russia and massive manufacturing in China. This combination made Germany rich, stable, and dominant in Europe, but then everything changed. The Russia Ukraine war exposed Germany's dangerous dependence on Russian energy. At the same time, China started becoming unpredictable, politically aggressive, economically risky, and strategically unstable. Germany realized one painful truth: depending too much on one country can destroy your entire economy, and Germany has already made this mistake once. So now, Germany is determined not to repeat it again. China is still an important trading partner, but trust is fading. German companies are worried about forced technology sharing, supply chain disruptions, and the growing risk of a China Taiwan conflict. If something goes wrong in East Asia, Germany's factories could stop overnight. That fear pushed Germany to adopt a new global strategy, quietly but decisively, a strategy known as China Plus One. And in this strategy, India is not a backup option. India is the main plan. Germany sees India as something China can no longer offer: long term trust. India is politically stable. India is a democracy. India has a young workforce. India has a massive domestic market. And most importantly, India is not trying to economically trap its partners. But there is a bigger reason Germany is paying attention to India. According to global economic forecasts, India is expected to overtake Germany and become the world's third largest economy within the next 2 to 3 years. Germany knows this, Europe knows this, and that's why this relationship is being built now, not later. Germany doesn't want to react after India becomes number 3. Germany wants to be inside the growth story before it happens. This is why German companies are no longer just trading with India, they are investing inside India. Siemens is deeply involved in India's railways and metro projects. Volkswagen is expanding manufacturing operations. Bosch has major research and development centers in Bengaluru. BASF is investing heavily in chemical production. Germany is not thinking in short term profits. Germany plans for decades. Another major area where Germany sees India as critical is defense and advanced technology. Europe is rearming. Supply chains must be secure, and China cannot be trusted for sensitive defense manufacturing. India's growing defense ecosystem, rising exports, and strategic neutrality make it extremely attractive to Germany. Joint exercises, defense collaboration, and technology partnerships are no longer future plans, they are already happening. But here is something interesting: Germany is doing all this quietly. No dramatic speeches, no anti China headlines, no sudden announcements. Because Germany understands one thing very clearly: economic transitions are safest when they are slow and silent. But silence does not mean weakness. Every year, Germany is reducing dependence on China by small but meaningful margins. And every year, Germany is increasing its economic and strategic exposure to India. This is not coincidence, this is preparation. If India becomes the world's third largest economy, Germany wants to be its closest European partner. If China's influence declines, Germany wants a stable alternative ready. And if global power shifts toward Asia, Germany wants India, not China, as its anchor. So the real question is not whether Germany is turning to India. The real question is this: will the rest of Europe follow Germany's path? Because if they do, India's rise will not just be economic, it will be strategic, and it will reshape global power forever. This shift is happening quietly, but history is being written silently. If you want to understand how global power is really changing, not through headlines but through strategy, subscribe to this channel and tell me in the comments, do you think India will overtake Germany sooner than expected?